This lesson is going to review some more uses for commas in your sentences. One of these uses is to set off appositives. And a positive is a word or a group of words that identifies or explains the noun it follows. So let's take a look at an example. The octopus, a familiar ocean creature, can survive at great depths. A familiar ocean creature is a group of words that explains the octopus. So this is an appositive phrase. It needs to be set apart from the rest of the sentence by commas. So you make sure you put a comma at the beginning of the phrase and at the end of the phrase. Notice, we could take the appositive phrase out and just say, the octopus can survive at great depths. The sentence still makes sense. We could technically leave it out. And so that's how you know it's an appositive phrase, because it gives extra information. So again, you want to set that off with commas. You need a pair of commas in this instance. You also can use commas to set off introductory words. Some of these introductory words are words like yes, no, and well. So if at the beginning of a sentence you have one of these words, you need to follow it with a comma. Such as, yes, comma, we are now on the sea floor. So anytime, again, you begin a sentence with one of these magic words, make sure that you follow it with a comma. A third use of commas, and the last one for this video, are commas that are used in direct address. Commas set off names of people who are addressed directly. So this means when you are talking to somebody and you use that person's name in the sentence, so you're talking directly to them, you need to set their name off with a comma. For instance, you could say, Shayna, did you snap a photo? And you would set Shayna's name off with one comma, since her name begins the sentence and you're talking directly to her. Sometimes names of direct address don't fall in the beginning of the sentence. They could fall in the middle of the sentence. Look, Shayna, at that huge jellyfish. Notice, if it's in the middle of the sentence, you need two commas, one before the name and one after, to set it apart from the rest of the sentence. Also, please be aware that you can have a name of direct address at the end of a sentence. If so, you just need one comma again, but this time it would come before the name. And then, of course, after the name would come your end mark of punctuation. Make sure, as you write, you pay careful attention to your comma placement so that you either don't miss any or have too many.